Decoding the Menu, Cracking Common Food Terms. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a mouth-watering topic, understanding menus, common food terms. If you're new to English, you might feel a bit overwhelmed when looking at English menus. But fear not, we're here to make things easier and tastier. Let's get started. To start off, let's talk about basic food categories you'll see on most menus. These are the major divisions on a menu, helping you decide what kind of meal you're in the mood for. 1. Appetizers or starters. These are small dishes served before the main course. They're usually light and intended to whet your appetite. 2. Main course or entree. This is the star of the meal. It's usually a large portion of protein, like meat or fish, along with side dishes like vegetables or grains. 3. Desserts. Sweet treats to end the meal. Cakes, ice creams, pies. All these delicious goodies fall under this category. 4. Beverages. Drinks available on the menu. This category includes soft drinks, coffee, tea, and alcoholic drinks like wine and beer. Next, let's discuss common terms related to cooking methods. These words describe how the food is prepared and can drastically affect the flavor and texture. 1. Grilled. Food that's cooked on a grill, providing a smoky flavor and often leaving characteristic grill marks. 2. Fried. Food that's cooked in oil or fat. This can result in a crispy exterior and a tender interior. 3. Baked. Food that's cooked in an oven. This method is often used for bread, pastries, and casseroles. 4. Roasted. Similar to baking, but typically used for meats and vegetables. This method gives food a rich, deep flavor. 5. Steamed. Food cooked by steam. This is a healthy cooking method often used for vegetables and seafood. Menus often cater to specific dietary preferences. Here are a few terms you might come across. 1. Vegetarian. A dish that doesn't include any meat or fish. It might, however, include dairy products and eggs. 2. Vegan. A dish free from any animal products, including dairy and eggs. 3. Gluten-free. This term indicates a dish free from gluten, a protein found in wheat and some other grains. 4. Dairy-free. This indicates a dish that doesn't include any milk-based products. That's it, folks. With this, we hope you'll now find it easier to understand and navigate English menus. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Stay curious, and keep learning. We'll be back with more delicious topics. Until then, happy dining, and keep exploring the flavors that English menus have to offer.